Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I get the head of this horse closed up here. So I'm just finishing my last stitch of the last row. And I'm gonna cut a pretty long yarn tail here because I'm gonna be using this to sew the head closed. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that last stitch marker. And I'm gonna go into my next stitch, yarn over, and essentially slip stitch this. I'm just gonna pull that through. That's gonna help knot this so this yarn doesn't come unraveled. I'm gonna add a daring needle to the end of this long yarn tail here. I'm gonna go ahead and continue stuffing the head of the horse. You want this to be pretty well stuffed. That's gonna really help give it the shape of the head. So I'm gonna stuff this firmly here. Okay, that's good for now. Okay, so I'm gonna take this daring needle here. I'm going into the back loop of the last row. The back loop is kind of inside here. So I'm gonna go in and I'm essentially just doing a whip stitch through these the two stitches next to each other, working my way around in a circle until the snout is closed. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I'm now going to take this and I'm just going to get this pushed back through the head. And I'll cut my leftover yarn tail. And the head should look like that.